Hey guys, and welcome back to Cageland. So today I am going to organize my bathroom. This cabinet is so bad, and as y'all know, I have been decluttering the entire house, and today I am tackling the master bathroom. So let's get straight into it. Start off by just taking everything out, and I need these containers so that I can do the next step. So I'm going to clear everything out of here and then wash the containers out, and then we'll go outside next. This is bad. So first off, you're gonna need some fabric to cover your bin. So I just went to Walmart and found this fabric. You're gonna need some scissors, you're gonna need a glue gun, and I cut off about 4 to 5 inches of fabric. I just kind of eyeballed it. It will be tucked, so you don't have to really be so precise about it. So you're just going to cut your fabric, and you're going to take it and glue it along the lines, the outside lines of your bin. This is super easy, just a super quick way to revamp and vamp up your storage bins. Now that I need a label for everything, I use those labels. I wanted to use a square one because I really thought it would look a lot better, but I didn't have time to go and get them for this video, and yeah, so I just used the ones I had. So voila! So now I have all of my bins ready to go. I think they turned out so cute. I love the way they look. When I went in the store, I saw all kinds of expensive bins, and they were just way too expensive for me to kind of pick up and put, especially when you need so many. And if you watch the vlog, I did share that in the vlog. So first I need to clear out the cabinet, and once I get the cabinet completely clean, I will put everything on the floor, the whole KonMari method, and sort everything out. I will do hair products, skin products, just everything will have its own separate bin. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Obsessed with these labels, so I'm just gonna make sure everything has its own bin, and I separate the kids stuff so that I can just take this bin out and take it into the kids bathroom. I don't trust them with products, so I keep all of their stuff in our bathroom, and of course I have to have one that says hazard because that needs to go at the very top of the cabinet. Voila! And that is it, guys. It is done. I am so happy the way this turned out. I have a place for everything. I feel so organized now. I give myself a pat on the back for this because not only is it organized, it's spacious, it is clean. I know where everything is. There's no mess, there's no junk, and I'm just pleased, y'all. I really feel like I just did something. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.